elote. I was gonna wait till I got home, but I'm getting elote. Delicious. Yes, it's a perfect snack on the way home. He's hooking it up. All the goodness. Let's just watch him work his magic for a moment, shall we?
Picante un poquito.
Me gusta picar, me gusta.
Oh yeah, give it to me.
Limón también.
Sí, por favor. Todo.
Todo. Ya le cortó.
Sí.
Sí, saquemos algo.
¿Y qué cuesta, por favor?
40 pesos.
That was a very good investment. A serious walk. I'm going down a very steep incline, and I'll be walking for like a half an hour more. It's about a 40-minute walk, but I'm up for it. When you come to Mexico, you must buy elote. It's so good. I like it so much. Elote, the great Mexican treat. Get you some.